Hi everyone! So, this week we are reading a new article. This one is called 2020 Graduation Ceremonies. And I know graduation is over already, but you can still read about people who did graduate and what graduation might have looked like. The school year is ending. Seniors are graduating from schools. Seniors usually graduate in May or June. Schools usually have graduation ceremonies. Graduation ceremonies will be different in 2020. People cannot gather because of the coronavirus. Many schools cannot have graduation ceremonies, but schools still want to celebrate seniors. Some schools will have ceremonies online. Some schools will have ceremonies in the summer. Congratulations, seniors. All right, so let's go back. So for our graduation ceremonies, since we're in middle school, we have eighth graders graduating. Seniors are people who are graduating high school. So school is over now. We're in have to have summer school. And so our eighth graders graduated in June. Or actually, no, the end of May. The last day of school was in June. And usually we have a ceremony. It's in an auditorium or a gym with lots of people coming together. But this year, we can't have lots of people gathering together because of the coronavirus. So we can't have these graduation ceremonies. But we still want to celebrate people who are leaving the school. And so some schools have the ceremonies online. Some schools have it on Zoom, which is a virtual, like on the computer graduation. Some people might do like drive-bys. So like they might have a drive-by graduation where like cars come and everyone kind of celebrates that way. Some people still have graduations, but people are sitting really far apart. And some have it in the summer. And so people who graduate, we say congratulations.